Baccarat is a fun card game played in casinos. It's easy to learn, making it a great choice for beginners. This game is usually played between two hands, the player and the banker. So first, each side gets two cards. The goal is to have a total close to 9. If the total goes over 9, you only use the last digit. For example, if you have 7 and an 8, the total is 15, but you only count to 5. Before the game starts, players bet on which hand they think that will win, the player, the banker, or if it will be a tie. After the bets are placed, the dealer reveals the cards. Sometimes a third card is drawn for either player or the banker based on special rules. If the player's total is 6 or 7, they stand. If it's 5 or less, they draw a card. The banker has different rules. Once all the cards are out, the hand with the highest total wins. So you bet correctly, you win chips based on your bet. Baccarat is all about luck and chance. So enjoy the excitement of the game and don't go crazy trying to be a millionaire. See you later.